Oh no, what happened? Alright, so the stove's always like this. If you have one of these white stoves, it's so hard to keep clean. Sorry, folks. Anyway, check it out. Have you guys ever had black rice? Black rice. Some of that stuff there?
There's a story on it.
There's a story in the back, but I can't see it. Alright. So, have you guys ever had black rice? Just a heads up. Rice cooker, awesome. Had this for years and years and years. You guys were like, oh my gosh, that thing's like 40 years old. Who knows? But here's what black rice looks like, by the way. Oh no, my phone's gonna get all blurry. Foggy. There it is, black rice. Pretty cool, huh? And it makes your stove purple. Purple, black, purple. So anyway, anybody ever tried black rice? It's pretty awesome, man. It's supposed to be really good for you too. For diabetics? I think it's better for diabetics, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, better for diabetes.
Less processed.
You're not supposed to be eating rice anyway, but
Well, you know.
if you're gonna eat it. All right, check it out, man. Purple rice. Later.